confronting the biggest storm on Earth. I am driving my super strong tornado interceptor. Whoa! Look at that! That is a funnel cloud touching the ground! It's a massive F5 tornado! It's huge! It's coming right at us! I can't steer! The wind is too strong! We are going up! Ah! Ah! Oh no! We are flying inside the tornado! Hold on tight! Wait, was that a flying cow? We are in the eye of the storm. It is calm here, but look at those walls spinning. Whoa! We need to get out before it closes. Ejecting in 3, 2, 1.
Pop! Parachute deployed!
That was a wild ride. Nature is powerful, so always stay safe during a storm. So, here is my question. Which weather do you like more? The loud thunder or a colorful rainbow? Vote in the comments. See you on the next adventure. Bye!